Good morning! Another day in Chitwan with the boys, bruh. Haven't eaten. Freaking 2:25 already. Let's go eat. After ladies first. Ladies first. Rohit doesn't want to go because I said the ladies first. Can't leave the scooty out in the sun right now. It's just too hot.
Why not?
Oh man, I'm starving. Stay. Am I right? You're right. Bruh, that will just eat up our gas. Dagu? Uncle? Hey. Okay, uncle, ready? Damn. That's a peacock. Yo, that's a peacock. Whoa, another one. I love. Woo! This one, baby. I don't even see the road anymore. Just riding. Ama, हजुरको यो चन्दनबारी जाने यतैबाट हो? चन्दनबारी चिसा पानी जाने बाटो। ए, धन्यवाद. This is insane. I want to take the shots of the boys. Yes, this is a ride. This is a ride. Alright, let me just get in the back so I can film the boys too, as long as always as this best beautiful scenario around me is so green. Get up, girl! Kalika! Wait! Bistari! Le. Yo, Abu, it's a motor tire, eh? Motor tire, right? Yo, Bistari. Okay. Horn dog. Woohoo! Finally! Finally! Scooter. So guys, we finally made it to this spot. Have to walk about maybe 5 minutes till we get here. But the boys are ready to swim. Me too. Oh, got a bridge? Wait, look, Zulunge pool race on the way. Look, you're the chill race. This is super nice. Bruh, almost feels like we're going into the Amazon River right now. Oh, it's nuts. Let's go. Woo! Everywhere. No, shit. Look, I got that. Oh fuck! Yes, So maybe about a little bit of walk through this, and then. Books, bro. चितवनमा आएर पनि पहाडमा गएको फिल भइरहेछ के म तराईबाट हैन अघिसम्म अब यस्तो फ्ल्याट तराईमा थिए हैन 81 म अहिले पहाडमा छु के लिटरली आइ एम वाकिङ होला ल जंगल पहाड के ल तराईमा आएर म पहाडमा पुगे के म अचम्म लागिरहेछ अहिले चाहिँ तर पानीको आवाज क्या दामी रहेछ गर्मी पनि बब्बा उफ ओहो कडा हो ओए ल बबाल रहेछ नि त त्यहाँ त यार Oh my कसम दम ओइ दम न ताली दिनु न दामी रहेछ यार अति बबाल भयो यार यो त यार insane yeah this is bro this is what I'm talking about fam look at this bro it's like a hidden gem so beautiful too the water is crystal clean Oh, bhai. Bro, हजुर ए हो एउटा भिडियो मात्र हैन SounVentures अल्डन बुबार बजाए मा कसम This place is amazing. This place is amazing. यस्तो दामी लागिरहेछ क्या मलाई हावालकी त त्यहाँ ढगाल्दियो like this spot is freaking amazing guys. It's sick. It's super sick. Shrooms on right now. Oh, way! Come on, so yeah. It's cold now. It's kind of cold. Oh, after such a long time, I finally felt like I'm back in Hawaii. There's another small pool over it, so I think we're gonna go try to find it. What? As you can see, the whole squad is down here, but we want to go check out the area that's a little bit hidden. Oh, चिप्लो यार सरकार एकदमै हेरेर है प्लास्टिक चिप्लो रहेछ should be another swimming spot down here. Really? Huh. It's like this tiny ass waterfall down here. So this is also drinking water. Frog. I mean, honestly, a really chill spot if you just want to sit down and relax and just enjoy this tiny little waterfall. Couldn't find that spot, but I'm gonna show you the angle from up above. The angle from up above is like this. Something like that. SounVentures! anything on that side. As you can see, the tiny. Oh, I think maybe this is the spot. Wow, what a lovely day. Today has been such a tough day. Not because it was a tough day, just because it took a long time for us to find this spot. But when we did, awesome. Woo! SounVentures, baby. We go. You see, let's get out of here. It's getting cold. What a triangle! Bruh, I should rock this! Oh, it's a rock, I should rock this! Thank you, Sauraha. It was a night.